On the morning of August 19th, on the Gyeongbu Line between Namseonghyeon and Cheongdo stations, a Mugunghwa train bound for Jinju from Dongdaegu Station struck 7 workers who were moving near the tracks for a maintenance inspection. 2 were killed, and the others suffered serious injuries. The victims were part of a team inspecting slope structures damaged during recent torrential rains in the region. The exact sequence of events leading up to the accident remains under investigation. On August 21st, Korea CEO Han Moon-hee submitted his resignation, citing his responsibility for the accident. His resignation has not yet been accepted.